A lot of people are talking to me about leadership and expectations. And I think back, and you've got a military background, and I do too. One of the things I loved about the aircraft carrier that I was on was when you went up on the flight deck, everybody had a shirt, and it was color coded. Red shirts were crash and salvage, white shirts were safety, green shirts were maintenance, brown shirts were plane captains. Everybody had a job, and you knew what that job, you knew what their job was. And on the flip side, everybody had the shirt on, knew what their job was, right? And it was like, hey, you do your job, not the other guy's job. The only time the only time everybody worked together, it was always it's a well-coordinated team. But it was, it was like, hey, look, do your job. Don't worry about the other guy. He's got his responsibilities. Just do your job. And I'm seeing all this stuff now, and I'm feeling it, and I'm hearing it, and maybe it's just got my frustration up. Everybody wants to do everybody else's job, and they don't focus on their own job.
Yeah.
And can you imagine the left tackle? The left tackle, his only job is to protect the quarterback's blind side. He just says, I don't want to do that today. I want to go be a running back.